on Saturday, July the 24th at around 8:24 p.m., the Operations Center received a call in regards to a missing person on a vessel at sea. The individual who called, we informed them to make an official police report, which they did. The Coast Guard was activated. We later learned that the individual was one Mr. Karl Wagner from Independence. A search was conducted in the Coulson Key area, approximately 6 nautical miles south of that location, where the vessel was found. The vessel was recovered, and the situation is under investigation at this time.
The vessel was found with bullet holes, though?
Yeah, the vessel was found with apparent bullet holes. The individual, as we speak at this time, is not yet found.
It has raised some interest of the police even more when his vessel was discovered by Independence Police. We have that vessel in police custody, but we cannot give a definite location of the owner. But I am certain that we are treating this incident with utmost urgency because, one, he was last seen on board his vessel. And if we have that vessel, we have to try to locate him.